lightly ki Seng Manipuri, ki Khubor Shillong, ki Lapinlong ya ki jing Thang Mombati, pan pinpao ya ki jingïada, bat ki jing Sngolem shi ki bahayeng hasem, jong ki balangan, ha ki Jylla si dangshen. Habakren ha ni ki jingïalang ha ki Sngi Ublay, u General Secretary Jong Shillong Manipuri Student Union, u Lam Yan Ba, ulo ong bagani ki jingïalang, kamdei shapang kesan perthei, hindrei kadei shapang ke jinglong brio, bat ke jing burom, ya ke jing im ki bala Duhnoh. Ulapin pauru ya ke jing smosi, kabakraw halor ke jing Duhnoh iki Mynsim brio, kinthop ya Ngut ki Heprit, bat ula kintu iki paidbah, banlong ki bajai banjiet ya ke jing song, bat ya ke jing ele. Nagalyang ki Seng baper, kila kintu ya ke sorkar ban shimkhia, ban wanrah abyang ya ke jing suk loy, kat bala ha ke Jylla, bat ban pintikna bakum kini ki jingja bas mostly kinam jashu.
Here about our Manipuri crisis. The time 5th or 6th April, April that time the Kuki militants they attacked by bomb and then accidentally the bomb blast and then our family members, brother and sister, the one who is posted here, they died suddenly and their mother is very seriously in ICU now hospitalized because of this accident only. Our Manipuris, 2-3 people died now and they have their family members, their own children also, but then they are facing lots of problems and then now right now in Manipur situation is very bad and we feel so crying, we feel so sadness about that, about this case. And that's why we are just coming to all together here to offer some candle light, our Manipuri people. And then let's pray now 1 minute silent for all of us. Nang check the yuka, please check it. And 1 minute, please be silent for their
Today we stand here not just as student union, but as humans, and we are deeply affected by the heartbreaking tragedy, the loss of innocent lives, especially the 2 children that lost their lives. On behalf of the Shillong Manipuri Students Union, Meghalaya Manipuri Welfare Society, and then Manipuri Women's On behalf of the Manipuri Women's Association, Meghalaya Manipuri Welfare Society, and Shillong Manipuri Student Union, we extend our deepest condolence to the grieving family. And no words can easily ease their pain, but we want them to know that they are not alone in this moment of sorrow, and we stand with them in solidarity.
Can you just
Our gathering today is not about politics or division. It's about humanity. It's about honoring the lives we have lost and sending a message that such tragedies should never happen again. We urge all communities to remain calm, to stand together, and to choose peace over conflict. Let this moment be a reminder that every life is precious and every voice should raise for peace matters. Thank you. So we actually 3 union is part of it. Shillong Manipuri Students Union and Manipuri Women's Meghalaya Manipuri Welfare Society and our Manipuri Women's Association. So 3 union were part of it and we're organizing this candlelight parade.
so what do you have to say?
As recently we were very shocked by this news of such an innocent lives taken, especially the 2 children lives that lost. We want to express that we stand with them in solidarity. We want them to know that they are not alone in this moment of sorrow, and we want to give our express our condolences to the family also. Yes.
What kind of message do you want? Or what?
I want to say that let peace there be soon, and let's not choose violence over everything. because one life, every life matters, and um, balance will never be the answer of all of this. So I would like to form the government to restore peace as soon as possible in our state.